Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use Word templates to create documents quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, click on File in the top left corner to open the Backstage view. Click on New. Here you'll see a variety of built-in templates. To find a template that suits your needs, you can browse through the categories or use the search bar to type in a keyword like invoice or newsletter. Click on a template to preview it. If it's the one you want, click Create to open a new document based on that template. Now you can easily customize the template by replacing the placeholder text with your own content and making any formatting adjustments. And that's it. Using templates saves you time and ensures your documents have a professional layout right from the start. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.